Hi everyone. Welcome to this English lesson where we'll explore how to conjugate the verb to be in all its forms. Simple tenses. Simple continuous, progressive tenses. Perfect tenses. Perfect continuous, progressive tenses. As well as in conditional and subjunctive moods. This is a complete guide for beginners and intermediate learners who want to master one of the most important verbs in English. Let's get started. B.
Simple tenses. Simple present.
I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. You are. They are.
Simple past.
I was. You were. He was. She was. It was. We were. You were. They were.
Simple future.
I will be. You will be. He will be. She will be. It will be. We will be. You will be. They will be.
Simple continuous, progressive tenses. Present continuous.
I am being. You are being. He is being. She is being. It is being. We are being. You are being. They are being.
Past continuous.
I was being. You were being. He was being. She was being. It was being. We were being. You were being. They were being.
Future continuous.
I will be being. You will be being. He will be being. She will be being. It will be being. We will be being. You will be being. They will be being.
Perfect tenses. Present perfect.
I have been. You have been. He has been. She has been. It has been. We have been. You have been. They have been.
Past perfect.
I had been. You had been. He had been. She had been. It had been. We had been. You had been. They had been.
Future perfect.
I will have been. You will have been. He will have been. She will have been. It will have been. We will have been. You will have been. They will have been.
Perfect continuous, progressive tenses. Present perfect continuous.
I have been being. You have been being. He has been being. She has been being. It has been being. We have been being. You have been being. They have been being.
Past perfect continuous.
I had been being. You had been being. He had been being. She had been being. It had been being. We had been being. You had been being. They had been being.
Future perfect continuous.
I will have been being. You will have been being. He will have been being. She will have been being. It will have been being. We will have been being. You will have been being. They will have been being.
Conditional. Present.
I would be. You would be. He would be. She would be. It would be. We would be. You would be. They would be.
Present continuous.
I would be being. You would be being. He would be being. She would be being. It would be being. We would be being. You would be being. They would be being.
Perfect.
I would have been. You would have been. He would have been. She would have been. It would have been. We would have been. You would have been. They would have been.
Perfect continuous.
I would have been being. You would have been being. He would have been being. She would have been being. It would have been being. We would have been being. You would have been being. They would have been being.
Subjunctive. Present.
I be. You be. He be. She be. It be. We be. You be. They be.
Future.
I should be. You should be. He should be. She should be. It should be. We should be. You should be. They should be.
Past.
I were. You were. He were. She were. It were. We were. You were. They were.
Past perfect.
I had been. You had been. He had been. She had been. It had been. We had been. You had been. They had been. Be.